Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, could the tables be turning between uMacele and uSamke? Now, when the last episode of Uthando Nesthembu ended on Thursday, we saw a little snippet of next week's episode. Obviously we know uMacele decided to take uSamke out on a 3-day or 2-day ntontoni, but they're on an outing, a resort, something like that. So it looks like they are having breakfast, and uMacele says to uSamke, asambe girl, siyobona abantu ngaphandle. I don't know, remember, I don't know the context of that, but remember earlier on, uMacele was saying with uSamke, benomusa, it's time for them to showcase their relationship. It's time for them to be seen by the public. So Samke then responds to uMacele and says, angikho ready mina. Ahle kumamkhulu, and then umamkhulu is like, awukho ready. Samke angisiyena umngani wakho mina, and then they laugh. But in her diary session, uMacele is not laughing, and she's saying, even if uSamke can count all of her friends, all she wants, angalinge angibale nami lapho. And she's not even laughing there. I'm just like, Samke, my girl, kapela wena. I feel like as much as uMacele is laughing with uSamke, Samke is not catching on ukuthi ezinye izinto, like, yes, a person might be laughing, but there's a truth in it. I don't think uSamke has caught ukuthi umamkhulu is really, when she makes these jokes and says it in a funny way, ukuthi I'm not your friend. I don't think uSamke has caught on, because sometimes I'm just like, Samke, don't get too comfortable. Laibo, at the end of the day, this is not your mama Zala. This is your sister wife, umamkhulu lona. So I don't know, maybe uMacele doesn't want to be harsh or rude to Samke because uSamke usanda kufika or whatnot, but I feel like it's kind of confusing for uSamke because umuntu iyahleka yet they saying angisiyena umnganakho. People always say that, guys, and it's a joke, but it looks like some of these things umamkhulu is saying is not a joke. Now other people were saying Samke buza utholile. Uma khumalo uzokutshela ngoMacele ukuthi uMacele, she will laugh with you, you think ukuthi ungumnganakhe, you think ukuthi bestie, kanti ayikho loyo nto. She's doing all of this for her mans, not to because we have Tanda and whatnot. I'm just like, this is going to be interesting to see. But if uSamke has a little bit of I don't want to say she has a little bit of sense, but I'm just hoping, because Musa said Samke is smart. I hope which she approaches this thing, with a little bit of respect, because sometimes she'll even say, Samke has been saying, you will babysit the child, and maybe it's just a joke. Hey, but sometimes when you'll be saying a joke, umuntu is taking it in a funny way. Kaltumatele is busy saying or something like that. Yeah, guys, I'm just like, I don't know, because people feel like the tables are turning. I'm like, I still feel like we're going to see a little bit of drama nyana before the tables turn between these two, because I have a very big feeling ukuthi the way uThobile and uMacele's situation ended is going to be the similar one with Toswanke. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.